Greetings, beautiful beings. Welcome to our 5-minute deep relaxation meditation that can be completed on any day at any time throughout your day. Feel free to sit up with your legs crossed, straight elongated back with your hands on your knees facing upwards to receive all of the goodness that this practice will bring. Keep a slight gaze or feel free to close your eyes and breathe here naturally. If it is more comfortable, you can loosen the muscles in your face, dropping your mouth slightly open and releasing your tongue from the roof of your mouth. Feel free to lay flat on your back with your legs and arms spread out if this is more comfortable for you. Breathing here naturally with your eyes still gently closed. Imagine that you are standing at the edge of a lake. You hear the birds chirping in the air. You feel the gentle breeze blowing around you. You smell the earthy aromas of nature. And you feel the moistness of the water tickling your feet, flowing in and out between your toes. Continue breathing here naturally. You slowly walk into the slightly cool water as your body adjusts to the temperature and your body flows with the gravity. Once the water has reached your chest, you slowly lower your back towards the water and kick your legs up to float, allowing the water to flow into your ears to offer equilibrium. Take an inhale in with a deep breath through your nostrils. Then on your exhale, let it all out with a deep sigh. You allow the water to encompass you as you relax deeply into the motion of the flow. The sun begins to beam on your skin and you feel a warming sensation activate your aura. Your mind is free of thoughts and you are just enjoying this moment. Continue breathing here naturally. The rhythm of the water washes away your stress and anxiety, boosting your mood and raising endorphins in your body, floating in the lake, allowing you to detox your mind, body, and spirit while improving your immunity. Take an inhale in with a deep breath through your nostrils, and then on your exhale, let it out with a deep sigh. Again. One more deep breath in through your nose, then exhale out of your mouth with a deep sigh. Bringing awareness to this moment, free yourself and completely relax as you breathe here naturally. When you are ready, lower your legs and stand up in the lake. Walk back towards the land and embrace all of the beautiful and gratifying energy that this practice is giving. Take an inhale in with a deep breath through your nostrils. Then on your exhale, let it out with a deep sigh. 2 more times. Another deep breath in through your nose. Then exhale out of your mouth with a deep sigh. Last time. One final deep breath in. Then exhale it all out. All right, beautiful beings, as we close this meditation, we manifest intentional thoughts, genuine thoughts, and peaceful thoughts. Intentional words, genuine words, and peaceful words. Intentional love, genuine love, and peaceful love. And if you would like added affirmations and manifestations, we are going to take a deep inhale in to prepare. And on your exhale, we are going to do I am power statements. I representing inspiration, A representing affirmations, and M representing manifestations. I am indulging in deep relaxation when needed and deserved. I am magical. I am divine. I am powerful. I am unstoppable. I am peaceful. I am focused. I am worthy. I am beautiful. I am enough. I am here to achieve optimal wellness. I am taking back my power, and I am grateful for another day and another opportunity at life. Thank you, Ashe. Now, if you are prepared to move forward with your day, we're going to go ahead and take a breath in to prepare, and exhale and begin to awaken your body. Open your eyes, wiggle your fingers and your toes, close your mouth, and breathe here naturally. If you are laying down, take an inhale to prepare, and on your exhale, turn over onto your side into a fetal position. Stay here for a moment and place your hand on the ground and lift yourself up into a seated position. If you are sitting, uncross your legs, release your arms, and shake both gently. Thank you so much for participating, and we hope that you enjoyed this deep relaxation meditation today. Feel free to save this for future reference. We manifest a positive, productive, and peaceful remainder of the day. Peace.